If you are looking to move a PDF file to a folder in Google Drive, then you are watching the right video. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open a new tab and navigate your mouse to the Google Apps and then click on it. After clicking on it, navigate your mouse to Google Drive. That is how you access your Google Drive. Okay. So now when you are here, first of all, I will be creating a new folder. If you don't know how to create a folder in Google Drive, this is an opportunity for you to learn how to do that. So let's just go ahead. In order to do that, click on new and select new folder. Then you give a title to the folder. After you are done with the title, just go ahead and select create, and a new folder will be created for you. Okay, so when the folder is created, you see it over here in your drive. So when you come over to my drive, you select my drive, you get to see all your folders over here. After successfully creating your folder, head over to home and then select the particular PDF that you would want to put inside the folder. So in this case, we are using this particular folder called upload files. Over here, you're just going to go ahead and select the particular PDF that you want to move to the folder. So you select it and then you use this option which says move. So you just select the move. After selecting the move, if you have more than one folder, you're just going to see a list of your folders displayed over here. Then you can go ahead and select the particular folder that you want this file to be placed in. You go ahead and select it and just click on move. Now, after you are done with that, if you want to confirm if the file has been moved, you just go ahead and open this folder. And then voila, you have it over here. One thing to take notice of is that when you head back to home, and there are some files that if they are not yours. So for instance, this file was shared with me and this was also shared with me. So files that do not belong to you, you cannot move them. You can only move files that belong to you. Okay. So in case you want to move this to as well, it can be a PDF, a Word document, and make sure that those files belong to you. Make sure that you created those files yourself. If it was created by another individual or a third party, you won't be able to move those files. So just go ahead and select it and then you use the same method to move the file and you are done. You just go ahead and select it and you're done. As simple as that. So you can move any file at all. Do want to check out my other videos and I'll see you again.